Hello everyone, this is MSK Entertainment Films and you're watching Excel tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a really important function of Excel, and that is Vlookup. Vlookup function not only help in daily life but also in educational and data analysis. But before starting the tutorial, I want to request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further videos, and also keep liking the videos. Now let's move towards the tutorial. This is the data which I got from the internet, maybe some WHO, from the WHO, and these are the names of the country, and this data is related to some growth rate in the urban areas and also some fertility rate and per woman, etc. So let's apply the VLOOKUP function. Let's suppose we want to look up for Australia, Australia, and we want to use the lookup function and want to find the number of year 2005, which is in this column, as this is a long list of data and it will be quite difficult to look for each and every individual, so we will use the lookup function. So let's use it. We will write is equal to VLOOKUP. Then next what we have to use is the lookup value. The lookup value is Australia, so we will click on this area, then comma, and the next what they are asking is the table array. Like you can even look at here, table array. So we will click this and shift, we select all the data. After that just press F4 to lock the data so that this table don't move here or below. After that put the comma, and we want to look for the year 2005, which is in which column? 1, 2, third column, 2005, third column, then comma. Now what they are asking is, do you want to look for the approximate match or the exact match? So we are going to look for the exact match, so we will select exact match and bracket close. After that you press enter. So the value for Australia, which we were looking for, is 20155. Let's look at here. Australia 20155. Now automatically you can even also look for, let's say, Pakistan and 157935. Let's see. This is Pakistan 157935. Let's suppose we want to look for England. Let's see what's in. Do we have England or no? We are not having that. Let's say Iraq. Let's look for Iraq. IREQ 28807. So this is how we look up work and Iraq 28807. This lookup function really help a lot, and if you have any question, just comment below and you will know the answer very well. I will try to answer your questions, but please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Have a good day. Bye bye.